Good morning, students. The topic we will study today are the excretory organs. But before that, we should know what does the word excretion means. Students, all day long, even while you sleep, your body produces waste substances. These waste substances include carbon dioxide, water, salts, urea, and uric acid. Your body must get rid of these substances as they are poisonous for the body. The removal of these waste products from the body is called excretion. So we can define excretion as the process of removal of metabolic waste such as carbon dioxide, water, salts, urea and uric acid from the body is called excretion. Students, the organs that take part in removing the metabolic waste from the body are lungs, skin, kidney, and liver. We will study about each of the excretory organs in detail in our lesson today. The first excretory organ we will discuss are the lungs. The lungs are also the respiratory organs because they bring about the exchange of gases. By means of lungs, oxygen from the atmosphere is transferred into the blood. Simultaneously, carbon dioxide from the blood is sent out to the atmosphere. The air that we breathe out also contains water vapors. So, lungs are excretory organs that excrete carbon dioxide and water vapor during respiration. The second excretory organ we will discuss now is the skin. The skin is the largest organ of the body. The skin is made up of two layers. The upper layer is known as the epidermis and the inner layer is known as the inner dermis. The skin helps to maintain a constant amount of fluid in the body. When the body has excess water, some of the water gets rid from the body as sweat. The body also needs a certain amount of heat to keep warm. When there is excess amount of heat in the body, most of the heat from the body gets rid out from the body in the form of sweat. So skin is an excretory organ that excretes water and salts from the body as sweat, which helps to maintain the body temperature. Students, now we will discuss about the kidney. The kidneys are bean-shaped excretory organs located on the either side of the vertebral column. The kidney is about 4 to 5 inches long. We can say that our kidney is roughly the size of our fist. The main function of the kidney is to filter the blood in the body. As blood enters into the kidney, unwanted nitrogenous waste such as urea, ammonium compounds, as well as dissolved carbon dioxide from the blood gets removed from the body in the form of urine. So we can say that kidneys are excretory organs that remove urea and other nitrogenous waste, that is water, salts, drugs from the body in the form of urine. Students, the last excretory organ we will discuss now is the liver. The liver helps in the digestion of food as well as in the removal of waste products from the body. The liver is also responsible for the conversion of any foreign substances entering into our body. Substances which are foreign to the body are drugs, medicines, injectables, chemicals and gases, substances produced by bacterial action, or food retained in our body for long periods. Many of these substances are poisonous or toxic and could damage the cells in our body. The process by which these substances are converted to non-poisonous is known as detoxification. After detoxification, most of them are excreted by the kidneys in the form of urine, and some of them are retained in the liver and are secreted into the intestines in the form of bile. So, liver is an excretory organ that excretes bile along with bilirubin into the small intestines and is expelled out with the feces from the body. Students, for your home task, you will define excretion and briefly explain the excretory organs.